Vegware products can be commercially composted with food waste, where accepted. Conventional food service packaging is difficult to recycle. Food contamination poses challenges for dry recycling, meaning anything designed for serving food is likely to be removed at a recycling facility and sent for disposal. Commercial, also known as industrial composting facilities, are where used vegware can go to be processed together with food waste. There are facilities throughout the UK and worldwide processing used vegware. In-vessel composting, IVC, is the main process suited to composting our products, as well as open windrow and some anaerobic digestion AD plants with a composting phase. On-site composting presents a remarkable opportunity for sites to transform their waste into a valuable resource, while simultaneously reducing carbon emissions associated with waste transportation. This localised approach not only reduces the environmental impact, but also offers logistical and cost advantages for organisations. Through extensive research and development, we have successfully trialled various on-site composting systems, enabling us to provide expert advice on the most effective solutions for your site. In-vessel composting is the ideal process for used vegware products. This method mixes green waste with food waste and compostable packaging in a fully enclosed vessel. Heat is generated naturally, allowing the material to break down to produce compost, free of any harmful bacteria. This compost can then be used as a high-quality soil conditioner. Open windrow is an industrial composting method where garden waste lies in long piles, exposed to air, rather than being processed in an enclosed vessel. UK and Irish regulations do not allow food waste to go to this process, but garden waste composting facilities can process Vegware certified drinks waste if they like. Based on this initiative by Vegware with UK governing bodies, Vegware works with the waste sector to actively grow trade waste collection routes. Close the Loop is Vegware's own trade waste collection service, taking used vegware packaging and food scraps for commercial composting in Scotland. In under 12 weeks, catering waste turns to high-grade compost that is used in Scotland to help feed future crops. We collect in the Central Belt from Glasgow through to Edinburgh and across Fife up to Dundee and Perth. Who is it for? Small cafes, large catered offices, tourist attractions, sports venues, and all sorts of staff dining areas. How do I get set up? We can work through your facilities management, waste provider, or contract caterer. For larger sites, bin collections might not be the most viable option, and instead, they can have a dedicated collection. The site would have a skip or compactor on site for collecting used vegware, and when full, it would be taken directly to a composting facility. 5 steps to zero waste, ensuring contamination-free materials for composting. 1. Switch all disposables to compostable alternatives. This simplifies recycling for customers and reduces the risk of contamination from conventional plastics or other non-compostable materials. 2. Find the best recycling solution and label your bins. Vegware recommends at least a 3-bin system of dry recycling, Vegware with any post-consumer food scraps and general waste. 3. Communicate the system. It's good to get the recycling message out before people get to the bins. Work with all of the site's teams responsible for internal communications and identify all tools and channels available for messages about composting. 4. Training and engagement. Training is essential for catering, facilities, cleaning and waste teams. Don't forget about contractors who visit occasionally too. Help them learn about the products and new recycling system. 5. Measure and communicate. Communicate recycling rates and successes to staff for ongoing engagement. Monitor through waste audits to ensure contamination is limited. Send targeted messages to correct any recycling mistakes and update bin signs if new products are introduced.